Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being. Here's why and some tips. Why hydration matters. Asterisk regulates body temperature. Water helps dissipate heat through sweating. Asterisk lubricates joints. It helps keep joints moving smoothly. Asterisk transports nutrients. Water carries essential nutrients to cells. Asterisk aids digestion. It helps break down food and move waste. Asterisk boosts cognitive function. Dehydration can impair concentration and memory. Asterisk maintains blood volume. Adequate hydration is essential for healthy blood pressure. Asterisk flushes out waste. Water helps the kidneys remove toxins from the body. Tips for staying hydrated. Asterisk drink water regularly. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Carry a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Asterisk set reminders. If you struggle to drink enough water, set reminders on your phone or use a hydration tracking app. Asterisk eat water-rich foods. Fruits and vegetables like watermelon, cucumbers, and oranges have high water content. Asterisk infuse your water. Add slices of lemon, lime, or cucumber to your water for flavor. Asterisk limit sugary drinks. Sugary drinks can dehydrate you and contribute to other health problems. Asterisk be mindful of exercise. Drink more water before, during, and after physical activity. Asterisk consider your environment. Hot and humid weather can increase your fluid needs. Asterisk listen to your body. Pay attention to signs of dehydration, such as thirst, headache, and fatigue. Asterisk know your needs. Individual hydration needs vary based on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health.